Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have my Allure beauty box for the month of December 2024 to unbox with you. I have already posted the spoiler video on the channel, so if you want to see what some of the other variations might have been, go kind of look for that. I'll try to remember to link it. I don't know, I always forget, but try to remind me if I did forget. This is about $20 something per month. I did just renew actually my annual plan, and actually my annual lasted a really long time because I have been skipping when the box doesn't match my lifestyle. So that is something easy to do. I do have a link below if you're interested in the box because it'll get you a little bit extra money off, but I will get like a small a coupon code for referring you for the member store, but I'm actually on a no buy, so I won't be using that. It's just there to help you save money. And also Rakuten is doing a really good cashback as well, and Allure Beauty Box is one of those websites that has a cashback. If you have not yet had a Rakuten account, I do have a link below, and I think right now they're running a $40 cashback offer if you use the link, so that'll get me a little bit of a commission for referring you as well. And I do post my spoiler videos. There is going to be one coming on December 23rd, but I will be traveling that day, so it might be a little bit delayed in terms of getting it posted for you, but I will have it posted as soon as I am able to do so. This is going to be the box, and let me just get started. It has a mix of full-size and sample-size items, and if there is going to be a variation, I try to tell you as soon as I know. So far they haven't announced a variation for January, so right now it's looking like perhaps there is no customization for that. But this is what it always looks like. There's always a little booklet guide on the top because they have their roots in magazine publishing, as you know, so they have editors and people who provide extra feedback. Advertisement here, so they are, again, under the, I think it's Meredith Corporation, right? But they have the GQ box, and this one's like for men, but honestly sometimes the GQ box looks pretty good, and sometimes it's also in the member store. And then there's also the option to give a gift subscription. I have heard that some people like to give themselves the gift subscription so it doesn't auto-renew, so that's always an option as well. Let me just get started with this, and if there are any coupon codes, I will give you that information as I come to it. I'm going to go into the first item here, and this one was the one that you were able to customize. And again, I customized pretty early, but it has 4 options here. This one is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Creme in mauve, peachy pink, cranberry, or peppermint. I remember customizing mine for the peppermint, and that's what I did get. So I'm actually really interested in this product. I have the Juicy Lip, it's back there, but that one's like the original one, but this one's a lip creme. So from my understanding, it's a little bit less glossy. So it's like a creme version, so it's a little bit more of a cream product, so it's not going to be like really, glossy. But this is what it looks like. I'm not going to use it right now because I have quite a few lip products open, but I am very excited for this, and I can't wait to try it. It's like a $20 something box. When I resubscribed, I got it for $199. It's less than $20 per box for me, but I was able to get the Black Friday special, which actually they're still running right now. I looked this morning. Pretty good deal if you do like any of the full-size products, because usually those pay for the entire box, just one product alone. It says, inside the slim bullet, you'll find a hybrid softening balm and satiny lipstick for moisturizing color with a very pretty sheen. That makes it great for dry winter days when lips are more prone to cracking, but you still want a glossy pop of color. The slender shape of the bullet makes for extra precise application, and you got to pick the shade you wanted to receive in your box. How you'll use it? Swipe on this formula for lips that look hydrated and healthy with great color payoff. And again, this one did pay for the entire box. It was $26 for the full-size product, and again, this is full size. You can get it on tartecosmetics.com, and you can receive 20% off with the code Allure20, and that's good through January 1st, 2025. So if you do want it, definitely consider using that code. And again, Allure20, 20% off. It looks like it's for any of the products on Tarte. This next product is also one that I think I've heard of this brand / got it quite a few times in previous subscription boxes. This is from Grown Alchemist, and this one is the Hydro Restore Day Cream. I have gotten this product before, and I have actually given it to my dad because I didn't care for the product myself, and my dad actually really liked it. I think there was also an ingredient in here that I'm actually allergic to, so I'm actually going to bring this home for my dad's Christmas present. I don't think he watches unboxing videos. He watches my vlogs, but I don't think he watches my unboxing videos. But this is a non-greasy facial moisturizer, improves the feeling of hydration without leaving residual oil or shine on the skin. And it has quite a few ingredients, if I'm being completely honest with you. And it does have some stuff in here that I'm a little bit sensitive to myself. I also think I recall this not having my favorite scent. I'm gonna try to get this in focus for you, but I don't know, I'm using a new camera. I think this might be in focus for you, hopefully. I'm using like my real camera, so hopefully it will be a little bit easier to read. But yeah, anyway, I have gotten the day cream before. I think I got it in a FabFitFun, so let me just open it up. And it does come in like a metal tube. Can you hear that it's metal? And I know that when I've had metal tubes in the past, I really liked when they used to come with the keys that you just like crank down, and made it a fun experience. But yes, I was happy to see this because again, it'll get my dad sorted for Christmas. Because he really does like the skincare products when I give it to him. He just like doesn't go out of his way to buy them. So that is a hint for you if you have fathers who would definitely benefit from skincare. Same with mothers. Mothers are the same way, because I gave my mom some stuff in the past and then she somehow was like, oh, it actually is useful. That one is also very expensive, but let me read the editor note. Why you'll love it, it sinks in quickly so it's easy to blend over your skin and doesn't leave a tacky or sticky finish. It's so elegant you'll barely know it was on, except that your skin is softer and more hydrated thanks to the ingredients like grapeseed and jojoba seed oil. How you'll use it, smooth a little over skin each morning. It layers well perhaps over your new Sephora serum, guess that's a little bit of a spoiler, and leaves complexions more moisturized all on its own. And the retail price is $50 for this full-size 65 milliliters, and it says grownalchemist.com, and you get 25% off with the code Allure25, and that's good until January 15th, 2025. I think I forgot to tell you where this stuff was made, because I know sometimes people get all up in arms about it, so let me give you a little bit of info. The Maracuja creme is made in Korea, this one's the Tarte product, and then this one is made in the US, and that's the Grown Alchemist. Remind me if I ever forget, I'll try to put a comment in if you remind me if I forget to tell you where products are made, if you're somebody who wants to know that info. This one is another brand that has been in the Allure Beauty Box in the past. I'm looking around here because actually I really do like the other product that we've received from them, which was a nail and cuticle cream, and I really have liked it. So this one is from, I still don't know how to pronounce it, I'm gonna say Palm Renewing Hand Serum, and this one is full size as well. This one is like in a very glossy plastic. I don't know if you can see / hear that. It's not metal. But this one says, proof that hand cream doesn't have to be utilitarian. This one is packed with the kind of skin-loving ingredients you'd normally find in a good face cream. There's vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help even out skin tone, fading brown spots on your hands, while tons of oils, safflower, jojoba seed, lavender, rosemary, and more make the blend extra moisturizing. How you'll use it, keep the tube next to your sink where it'll sit pretty so you can treat your hands after washing them. And this is a full size, and this one again, very expensive, $42 for 60 mls. You could get it at mypaume.com. You can get 20% off site-wide with the code AllureBox20, and that's good through March 1st. So actually that's a really good coupon code for a long time, and this one has a signature scent. My mom actually requested hand creams, and I actually am not a huge fan of lavender, so we'll see if this one smells like that, because maybe I'll give my mom this. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of serum. Oh, it must be a pump. Nope, it is not a pump. Oh, since I had it open, may as well sniff test. Okay, yeah, it's not super lavender, but it does definitely have a scent. So if you're somebody who doesn't care for scents, this one is probably not for you. Again, I would say that the Grown Alchemist, I think the reason why I didn't care for that is number one, a lot of oils in there that I'm somewhat sensitive to, and number two, it had like a scent. So this one is cruelty-free, vegan, no artificial fragrance, silicone, and paraben-free. I would say it does smell like the cuticle cream. I think I might keep it though, because I have like the cuticle cream, but that is the review on that one. Actually, let me give you a little bit of a texture test, since this product I'm going to keep for myself. Okay, actually I squeezed quite a lot and nothing came out. Okay. Oh, it is like a serum, so it's not like a hand cream. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit more of a serum appearance. Also, my hands are really dry, so actually this will be really nice to have. Yeah, actually once I put it on, it's a lot more scented, like a lot more scented, and I do smell the lavender now, and I don't care for lavender that much. Also, my hands are so dry that it soaked it up immediately. My hands are back to being desert-like. So I do like what it does. The scent is kind of gone now. It was like very scented right when I put it on. So that's my review. I don't think I cut out anything in about 15 seconds of like after I rubbed it in. Let me go into the next product, and that one's Sephora Collection. And I think when I did my video, I wasn't sure what this product was, because the only hint I had was this little pink square, but this is what the product product is. This is the Sephora Collection Super Glow Serum with vitamin C and E. It's time of the year when skin needs a little more help in the radiance department, and that's where this vitamin C and E serum comes in. The antioxidant duo is brilliant, literally. It helps brighten skin and protects against free radicals. Vitamin E is a unique antioxidant that also hydrates. So it says smooth on the serum morning and or night under moisturizer like your new one from Grown Alchemist. And the full size is $21 for 30 mLs, and 8 mLs is included in the box. As I'm filming right now on Saturday, big sale going on Sephora. I think it's 30% off a Sephora collection, so I don't know if it's still going on, but also this is like super liquid. Can you hear how liquid it is in there? So I don't know. This feels like very liquid to me. I don't know if this is what it's supposed to feel like. That's all the info I got for you. It says buy it on Sephora.com. Oh, I forgot to tell you where this Palm product was made. This one is, I think this Palm brand might actually be Canadian because this is mypalm.ca and then mypalm.com. Oh, actually, British Columbia. It doesn't tell me where it is made. It just says manufactured by Palm Inc. 3963 Phillips Ave, Burnaby, BC. But yeah, it doesn't say like where it was made, so with your best guesses below. But this one is made in France. The Sephora Collection product is made in France. The next product is from Innisfree. It is a sunscreen, and this one is Innisfree Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This is obviously a sample size, but it's like a pretty decent sized sample if I'm being completely honest with you. It says even in winter you need sunscreen daily, and this mineral option is a pleasure to wear. It protects against UV rays without leaving a white cast on skin. The soft green tint is undetectable and helps even out redness. Apply the sunscreen each morning as the last step in your skincare routine. Full size is $22 for 50 mLs, and 10 mils are included in the box. So this is obviously a sample again, and it is like a little bit of that green, so I did choose the right one. I will link you my favorite sunscreen right now below. It is from Misha. It's Cream Aqua or something like that, and I really like it actually. It is very, very, very gentle, sheer. It doesn't leave a white cast on me or anything, and it absorbs really quickly. That would be my recommendation. I have liked the other products. I have this one open right now as well, the Isntree. I'll link you this one. The ones from Innisfree are fine. I haven't had any problems with them, but $22 for 50 mLs of sunscreen is kind of a lot of money in my opinion. I'm gonna go through the last item. Does anyone else remember back in the day, by the way, the cat fell off, Allure Beauty Box used to put like free gifts in for valued members in December. I was kind of hoping to see one. I've had my subscription for 4 years now. What a time, what a memory. But this is from Maria Nila True Soft Argan Oil. I think this one's a Swedish brand, I want to say, but I might be wrong. The antidote to dull, staticky winter hair is this easy to spread formula with argan and rapeseed oil that's light yet moisturizing. Isn't rapeseed just canola? I feel like they're both those little yellow flowers. I feel like they're the same. I don't know, I might be wrong though. Let me know if you're an oil expert. It forms a superfine frizz protective coating with dimethicanol. Why was that so hard for me to read? For hair that's smoother and shinier all day long. As a nice bonus, you can use it after washing your hair and also as a finisher on dry hair. What do you need? A little something something. Smooth a small amount onto damper dry hair from the mid-lengths to ends, then style as usual. Full size is 100 mLs. It is $39.90. And then this one is 30 mLs, and you can get it on marianila.com and get 20% off with your code Allure20. This one is, it also has fragrance in it, so I'm kind of curious. Yeah, it is Swedish, by the way. I'm trying to see where it's made. Produced in Sweden. This is also good for 12 months after opening. I actually kind of like how my hair turned out today, so I don't know if I really want to put this on. I wanted to see how it smells. Okay, let me just do a small little sample, because actually I kind of need this for when I go to Minnesota, because my mom has this thing that takes out, it was really thick by the way, takes out all, oh, it has like a, I don't know if I like that. Why did I put it in my hair? The scent is like a bathroom air freshener. Now my hair smells like a bathroom. You know the really, really pink one that comes in like the gray thing that like sprays out? It's like, it smells like fruit and flowers mixed together. That's what it smells like. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan. But it is what it is. It's now in my hair and on my hands. That is the final item, and my heat is definitely coming on. Oh, actually there is a HelloFresh code, so if you want to use the HelloFresh code, have at it. All in all this month, sorry, I'm trying to do it in between the little sprays. All in all, this month's box was pretty good for me and my lifestyle, because again, got my dad a Christmas present done. Actually, I have other Christmas presents, but that one he'll actually enjoy as well. And got my maracuja. Very excited for that. This, even though it smells bad right away to me because it's not my scent profile, the scent dissipates right away as well. But my hands feel a lot less dry, but it still feels dry, so I do definitely need to put a lot more on. But again, I do like the nail and cuticle cream, so I'll try to find you a link for that as well if you haven't tried it out yet from the box. And then Innisfree sunscreen, always can use another sample size sunscreen. Innisfree sunscreen, again, nothing against it, it's just a little expensive in my mind, but having a nice little sample size one is nice to throw in the purse or for travel and stuff like that. And then I have the vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum from Sephora. This one I'm a little concerned because again, it's really liquid. And then the final product is that soft argan oil, and unfortunately it smells like a bathroom air freshener, but I will use it because again, I am going back to Minnesota. It's gonna be so dry. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Follow me over at Instagram at Eat Stretch Explore. I am trying so hard to post one video a day in December to try to get ahead, no, not even get ahead, try to get a little bit closer to the real time in terms of my vlogs. So hopefully if you've been watching those, I will try to link you somewhere. I don't know, they'll be on the channel somewhere. And then I'm gonna do a December unboxing as well. It'll probably be 2 parts because I have some stuff that was sent to my parents' house. Otherwise I might combine it in one video, but just be in 2 different locations. But yes, thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.